Greetings, Bitcoiners. Bitcoin trying to break out. For those of you that have been watching my channel, my YouTube channel, that is, not these channels, my channels on my channel. I've had these 3 channels in here, and so lots of people are talking about this descending triangle, bear flag, bear descending triangle. It's essentially the same thing as my channels. So Bitcoin has been real trappy lately. And we've got Bitcoin acting like it's going for a big breakout. I believe this to be a bull trap. Now, this is just my opinion, but I've been watching this for a while. I believe this is going to get rejected, as it has been quite a few times now. So I have this line floating up here. You might say, what is that? That's my triangle, or that's the descending triangle if you put it right there. It's basically the same thing as the top of my little channels I have here. But if we zoom in, we can clearly see, now this lower line here is the resistance line of that triangle. So there's a couple of different places you can draw in that resistance line on the triangle. Some people I saw have it drawn in like right here. It got rejected here and here. In my opinion, this could come up even higher. I have the top of my channel at 33,200. I also have the top of a little different channel at about 32,970 or so. So if you're watching other channels and you think that Bitcoin has broke out the top of that resistance line, there's different places you can draw that triangle, the resistance line. Zoom out and you can see Bitcoin has tested the top of this channel over and over and over, and it's got rejected every single time, dating back to late June, almost a month now. So the top of that descending triangle is just a touch different angle, as you can see. Extend it here so you can see it clearly. Okay, switching over to Kraken here. Somehow my internet service plan got changed. That's always fun. For some reason, my screen recorder does not like Phoenix at all. It pauses, it updates, refreshes about every 30 seconds to a minute or so. And so I've been trying to make this video for like less 20, 30 minutes, and I've gotten absolutely nowhere. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go over here to Kraken. Phoenix looks better on video, but just going to get the job done for you real quick here, folks. Okay, so I've had a channel, something like that, drawn in, give or take. This is the daily chart. So this descending triangle, this bear descending triangle, bear flag. I did a video the other day about an article calling us a bear flag. Technically, it's not a bear flag. That channel actually looks like a bull flag. There are a couple different lines, resistance lines you could be looking at. So if you see it break out above 1, don't get too excited, I should say, because I do believe that this is going to dump down wherever it stops up here, whichever resistance line it bounces off of. I do believe it's coming back down, and we'll probably retest 30,000, right? And I'm still looking for it to dive down to 20,000 eventually. Just watch out for this, right? Watch out for this. Watch out for something like that, right? Right? So I do believe this is trap. It's just been one trap after the next for the last couple of days. So maybe it comes back up here and retests again. Just put something like, let's just say that's the resistance line there. There's multiple resistance lines technically you could be looking at. So it's been rejected once, twice, 3 times or so on the hourly chart already. So watch out for it to come up and do something like this, right? And you think, oh, it's a breakout. Oh, it's a breakout. No, it's not, right? or even maybe it comes up to the top of my channel, my top channel line. No, sorry, right? So just be careful. There's multiple resistance lines. You may not have heard that anywhere else. I just like to bring that to your attention. There's a couple different channels, a couple different places you could draw the resistance line to the descending triangle. There's actually a couple different places you could put support or the bottom triangle. Just be careful. So technically, this little dealy here leading up to the B word conference, that was a major bull trap turned into a major bear trap, and I would expect maybe a little fake and bake right here. Right, boom. So just be careful. Be real careful out there. Real leery of any breakouts to the upside or the downside. Like I said, this technically was a fake out breakout to the downside. So watch out for the fake out breakout to the upside. And I'm expecting it to come back down and just be on its merry way. Just want to make this video saying just be careful. I hope you enjoyed this. As always, thanks for watching.